Hello, in this video session I'm going to show you how to input the resource out of use values in the resources. Click on the critical path menu and choose resource out of use entries. Choose the resource that you want to put out of use reason. Choose the out of reason type. Input the date. Then press F5. If you want, you can copy this into other resources as well. So right click and choose copy resource out of use. Choose the resources that you want to copy this out of use definition. Then click transfer button. It will automatically copy all this entry for the other resources as well. After you make this, you will see this on the factory planning as well.